SUAPP AIR. Precise rendering. SUAPP AIR now supports precision rendering. 99% accurate to your model's materials and details. First, import a model image. Choose Linkshe style, precision rendering. Select architecture, then click Create. You'll get a highly realistic render without changing the original materials. You can even render a full set of images in this style. Next, try adding a reference image. Keep the same style. Click Create. Now you'll get lighting and atmosphere, similar to the reference, while the building structure and details stay unchanged. Let's try interior design. Choose residential design. Click Create. The lighting and materials look incredibly realistic, and you can also render a full interior set with ease. On top of that, you can one-click color a floor plan, one-click style conversion, one-click time of day switch, one-click season change, one-click weather change. Try SUAPP AIR today.